My name's Jeff Chatwin. I'm the current warehouse manager for Yewdale, and I'm currently overseeing our move from the old warehouse we've got at the moment to the new site. The new warehouse is located approximately 3 miles from our current site. It's located on the junction of the A127 and the A130, and we're probably about 20 minutes drive from the M25. It should double what we've currently got at the moment. So all the stock we've got at our current site will be moving over here. We've already got some over here as well. So we'll have the goods in department moved over as well. So essentially everything will be under one roof. By moving goods in to the new site, it frees up all the space at the current site, which means we can expand production. So we've got new saw tables going in, new cutting tables, so that will sort of almost double capacity. So it should give us shorter lead times because we have more stock in storage. In the current climate, with the way things are, with getting hold of bits and pieces and stocking across any business, it allows us to react quicker and have more stock in storage basically. So for a stock point of view, obviously in the current climate, we've got issues with stock, as most companies have, so it enables us to react to that, have more stock in storage so that we don't have any problems with letting customers down. So that's the main benefit, especially at the moment in the current climate. It's a massive benefit. It allows the company to grow bigger and expand and take on more products and customers, etc. So yeah, I see it as a massive win-win situation, definitely.